So let's add the folder inside our project. So let's call it layouts, and inside we need to add the header.php, and also we need the footer.php. So now that we have the header and footer, let's go to the Bootstrap website. Inside the docs, let's bring so we have already this code here. Let's copy and paste it here inside the header. Let's remove this part and put it inside footer, and let's remove each one so we don't need it. And what else we have here? Let's organize the code, and the body is here, or the body, we have the closing tag of the body here. Okay, so let's save. Also we need to change the title. Let's make it PHP Ajax CRUD app. Save. Also we need the font awesome CDN so we can use icons. So let's head to this link and copy the first link here so we can use it inside our header. So let's put it here and save. Now we have the header and we have the footer, and we can also include the connection to database. Let's include it inside the header since we will use it inside all of our projects. So let's copy and paste it inside our header. So here after or before the doc tip or the doc type. So let's copy and paste. Now we have the connection to our database. So next let's move to the footer. So here inside the footer we have the Bootstrap JS, but we need also the jQuery. And to do that, let's move to the link here, and once you are here, let's copy slim, so you can copy the scripts from here and add it inside the footer. So now we have the header and we have the footer. So let's just organize the code, or we can format it like this. So save. Now we have the header and we have the footer. So let's add or let's include them inside our index page. So let's include the header. So it's inside layouts / header, and also we need the footer. So let's copy and paste, and also, as I said, we need the footer. So let's organize the code. So it's not formatted. Let's format it like this and like this. And here let's put the content. So we need to add the div with the container, and also a div with row, and div with the col md10 and margin left and right auto. And here we will display students. Save. Let's go back here, refresh. So we have an error here, failed to open such file. So I think we need to move down twice, and also here twice. So let's refresh again. Now we have students. So now, as I said, we need to fetch and display students. So first let's Let's first fetch students and later we will display each student. Okay, so here inside or after the include of the header, let's add variable which is statement. You can call it anything you want, and we can use the con, which is the connection, and prepare the query, which is select all from students. So now that we have the query, let's execute it. So we execute the statement. So let's put it here and execute the statement. Execute. So now that we have executed statements, we need to define the variable that will hold the students, and we can use statements that we have defined and call fetch all, and fetch all will set the PDO fetch to a sock, which means we will return array. So now that we have students, all we need to do is to, so here only I have missing semicolon, that's why, and also here. So now we have students. All we need to do is to display students in our home page. So let's do that. So here we have, as I said, we have only static students. Let's loop through each student and display details. So let's add a card here, and card will have card body, and card body will have the T head, and T head will have TR, and TR will have the TH. And we need here the ID, and what else we need? Name, the registration number, what else we need? Average, and the decision, and also we need another one for the actions. Okay, so now let's use the T body, and inside we need to loop through each student. So let's use the PHP tag, and here we need for each, and we used students as students. And we need also the K, so we can use the K as the ID. And once we have here the for each, we need to add the TR, and inside TR we have the TD, and inside TD we display each student's details. So here we have the K, so let's echo, and we increment the K by 1. So let's echo the K, and we increment it by 1. So what else we have? We have student name, so let's display the student name. And here we have name, and what else? We have the registration number, and what else? We have the EVG and decision, and decision it's move next. You can change it if you want. And here we have actions, which will be the buttons to edit and delete. And also we need to and for each. So let's add it here, and here we end for each, and close. Let's refresh, and as you can see we have details, but we have something wrong, which is here. So the div with card body, so I forgot to add the table. So let's add table tag and give it a class table, and inside we add the t head and the t body. So let's save and refresh. So as you can see we have now students with all the details. So let's give the body here, let's give it class bg light. Save and refresh, and I think now it's better. Now we need to add a button here, so we can add new students, and once we click on the button, so the model will display, or will be displayed as we have seen in the demo before. So let's do that now.